Now this is muffler 3.0. I thought about it last night, couldn't sleep. This is from last night, 2.0. Now the reason I went through the bottom originally was I was trying to go up through the side and come up through the top to take the heat out of the muffler. And because there's a box inside the muffler, it's not possible with the bolt holes and all that without wrecking the whole extractor experiment. So I pulled another muffler apart yet this morning, and I've gone through the top and out the front. So it's now away from the chain brake, it's away from the chain, and it comes out here. Now, this is only a Chinese bloody 62cc saw, but I can feel torque. Torque that I didn't have before. This would work a lot better on a bigger saw, say 72cc onwards. I want to muck around with a 92cc still, but I need a TIG. I want to make this part and the front aluminium to take the heat away from the saw. I'll probably end up cutting about probably that much there up, maybe 1.5 inches to make it run a bit better. But I don't know, I'll have to do a bit of cutting. This is a brand new motor. The elevation on the exhaust port was 100, now it's on 95. The transfer chambers, I've tried to fix them up. They were 125, so just trying to get the revs and everything to work. The intake's been dropped down to 81 on the degree wheel on after, how was it, before top dead center. But it's a standard carby. When I get around to it, I'll put the 372 Husqvarna carby back on this once I remember how to do it, because I couldn't do it, but I like it, it's running nice.